Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to stop folder opening in separate window in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To stop folder opening in separate window in Windows 11 computer, open File Explorer. Here I am going to open a folder. Look, I'm going to open another folder, and look, the folder is opening in separate window. Now I'm going to fix this issue. Click on three dot icon. Now click on options. Here under browse folders, you will find two options. Open each folder in the same window and open each folder in its own window. Now the second one is selected, that's why folder opening in separate window. Now select the first one, open each folder in the same window. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now close File Explorer. Now I'm going to click on Documents, and then I'm going to open a folder, and look, the folder opened in same window. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.